dear viewers, your attention please, ladies and gentlemen. All you are welcome from my YouTube channel, The Honey and Hero of English. The Honey and Hero of English. Now, I will have to discuss about the several construction of the semi-passive voice in present indefinite tense with singular and plural number subjects I, you, he, etc. In affirmative and negative sentences in indicative and subjunctive moods. Okay? Subjects I, you and all plural number subjects, I mean they, who, Tom and Paul, boys, etc. Any singular number subjects but I and you, I mean he, she, who, Tom, boy, etc. Affirmative sentence. Number 1, I am worried. Number 2, I am worried. Number 3, I get worried. Number 4, I be worried. It is subjunctive mood. Next, you are worried. You are worried. You get worried. You be worried. Subjunctive mood. He or she is worried. He is worried. He gets worried. He be worried. All are affirmative sentences. Next, below negative sentences. Number 1, I am not worried. I am not worried. I am worried. Scottish and Irish language. It is generally found. Number 4, I aren't worried. Number 5, I ain't worried. It is generally used in spoken and dialect English. Number 6, I do not get worried. Number 7, I don't get worried. Number 8, I be not worried. Subjunctive mood. Number 9, I not be worried. You are not worried. You aren't worried. You are not worried. You aren't worried. Double construction should be avoided, but it may be used in informal English. You ain't worried. You do not get worried. You don't get worried. You be not worried. You not be worried. Next, he is not worried. He is not worried. He isn't worried. Double construction should be avoided, but it may be used in informal English. That's why he isn't worried. It is informal English. He ain't worried. He does not get worried. He doesn't get worried. He be not worried. He not be worried. Okay. I think you better understand, and you are also requested to check and verify with the authentic books and papers. Okay, but I explain so far as I know about this. I here use worry verb, but many other verbs may be used, such as confuse, catch, know, beat, treat, dress, open, mix, etc. in exchange of the verb worry. Just here I simply show the different sentences of the semi-passive voice with the verb worry. Okay? I think you better understand well. You better understand. Please listen to me once again. So far as I know, I discuss in this video about the semi-passive voices sentences. Thank you very much for your watching my video, and I also request you, if you like to have the more video from me, you are requested to subscribe and share to others. Okay, thank you very much.